You ever look around and realize everyone's together, but no one's connected? We've built this beautiful digital world, but somehow we lost our tribe. We used to survive by standing side by side, hunting, building, protecting each other. Now we survive by pretending we don't need anyone. They told us independence was strength, but maybe strength was always about belonging. We chase freedom, but freedom without connection is just another kind of cage. We scroll through faces instead of seeing souls. We share posts instead of sharing meals. And still, deep down, every one of us wants the same thing: to be seen, to be needed, to be part of something that matters. A real tribe isn't about blood or numbers. It's about people who remember who you are when you forget yourself. That's what we've been missing. Not more followers, but more family. So maybe the goal isn't to stand alone. Maybe it's to find the few who would walk through the dark with you and never let go. Find your tribe, not your audience.